Laguna Beach epitomizes California lifestyle. From the views to the beach culture, the arts culture, everything about it is just California. And this home I'm about to show you, the views are insane. We're on the Coast Royal community, up on the hills, 180-degree views. This is 31345 Holly Drive. Walk into this home and these views are what take your breath away. You're looking all the way up the Laguna coast. You've got these 180-degree views. It's just spectacular. From every room in the house, you have ocean views. Almost 3,000 square feet, about 2,963. And on this first entry floor, you've got the master bedroom and all of the living space. You got the kitchen, this living room, and then you walk downstairs and you've got this beautiful sitting room with just this huge window looking out again with all of these incredible views. And then you've got the two other bedrooms downstairs as well as a laundry room. And then you've got a secret little office, or it could be a kid's playroom, whatever you want to turn that into. It's a little bonus room over there. Laguna Beach is a lifestyle, and if you're going to be down here, you will want to have views like these. And if you are looking for something like this, or you have a home that you're just thinking about moving and want to come here, would love to help strategize with you, leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you and set up a quick little 15-minute consult, but would love to help serve you and help strategize on what your plans are. I'm Braden Flynn with the Tim Smith Real Estate Group. Would love to help serve you. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.